Let's flip the track, bring the old school back.
This is how we do it.
Online stock trading has transformed the way individuals invest in the stock market. To begin, you need a brokerage account. This account serves as your gateway to buying and selling stocks online.
Same black time, same black channel.
Sexy, I am feeling that 100%.
Various brokerage firms offer different services, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your trading goals.
Remember, we are here to give you the tools for you to access and guide you in your personal investment journey.
Everyone around me is talking about investing. Do you invest too?
Moomoo. At Moomoo, we offer 24/5 trading so you can access the US market easily for selected stocks. This means you can trade not only during regular trading hours, such as pre or post market, you can also do it overnight to capture potential opportunities.
Cow. There's gonna be a cow up in there?
Once you have selected a brokerage, you must complete the registration process. This typically involves providing personal information, verifying your identity, and funding your account. Funding can be done through bank transfers or other methods, depending on the broker. After your account is funded, familiarize yourself with the trading platform. Most online brokers provide user-friendly interfaces that allow you to view stock prices, charts, and relevant market news. Understanding how to navigate these platforms is crucial for executing trades efficiently. When you are ready to trade, research the stocks you are interested in. Look at their historical performance, market trends, and any news that may affect their value. This research helps you make informed decisions based on factual analysis. To execute a trade, enter the stock's ticker symbol, specify the number of shares you wish to buy or sell, and select the order type. Common order types include market orders and limit orders. A market order buys or sells immediately at the current market price, while a limit order sets a specific price for buying or selling. After placing your order, monitor your investments regularly. Keeping track of your portfolio allows you to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Additionally, consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. As you gain experience, explore advanced trading strategies such as day trading or swing trading. These methods require a deeper understanding of market dynamics but can offer greater opportunities for profit. In summary, online stock trading involves selecting a brokerage, funding your account, researching stocks, executing trades, and monitoring your investments. With dedication and informed decision-making, you can navigate the online trading landscape effectively.
It's about making investing easier and not alone. We care for your financial well-being, so follow us. For more videos like these, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get to work. Have a profitable day.
This is how we do it. All hands are in the air and wave them from here to there. If you're an OG Mac or a wannabe player,
This is how we do it.
Sa-la-la-la-la-la.
This is how we do it.
So-lo-lo-lo-lo-lo.
This is how we do it.
Oh, 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 oh.
This is how we do it.